In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your Windows restart faster and load his applications. First of all, go in Task Manager, because here in the startup, here you have all the software that you have installed, and that software developed a small application that loads up. Some applications from here will make your system load much harder than usual. So let's disable it. For example, I have Adobe Photoshop, so I don't need this gamma loader or updater utility, because I updated the application. Updater works without the startup utility. So I'm gonna disable this CS 5.5 and below until, and this Apple push. So this application I don't need. What I need is this CCR Bluetooth software, because this loads up, and without these protocols or applications will not work. I don't know, transferring files or connecting my Bluetooth headphones to the PC. This is another useless application that loads up here and hardens up the loading of your Windows system. So disable it. Skype application, you don't need it, disable it. Skype application, this is not actually your Skype application, this is some kind of feature to Bluetooth. If you see a problem that Skype application will give an error or something like this, enable this function and see after a restart if the Skype is working, but it's not related to Skype, it's some kind with the Bluetooth application. The Logitech download assistant, if you made a download, disable it. Okay, just disable it. This one loads for your mouse, the NVIDIA, leave it. For example, PowerDVD 15, it's installed, and this is some kind of, I don't know, it's an application that will let you open it from your taskbar, but I don't need it because I already made my shortcut for this application. So disable it. QuickTime task, you will not need it, disable it. I disabled this application for myself. After I disabled this, I checked the programs if it runs correctly. If it runs correctly, you don't have a problem with your software. So I gain more speed at loading the Windows. I suggest to you, if you want to disable the application, go to the software, original software, and check the software. If the software works, it's all good, you don't have problems. If you get errors, don't disable that program, because some program you will need to use it, like Realtek. If I disable the Realtek, it's obviously this application will not load and work correctly. So this is directly related to this icon that I need here. Okay, now for speeding up your restart or shutdown of the system, push start menu and type Regedit. When you type edit, registry edit, and now click it, yes, and now let's close it to show you. It's another thing that you can do is type msconfig and click it. Here are the services loading that are not showing here. Some of them are not showing here in startup in Task Manager. And now, what is this? Adobe by Asus. My manufacturer of the mainboard is Asus, so I'm gonna leave this on because I have a fan control services, and these services are related to Asus, and I will leave them on. Kaspersky, I have an antivirus. This is the Bluetooth on, this is the audio DTS, it's okay. NVIDIA GeForce Experience is a driver. You don't need the Google update, but sometimes I disable this feature and Google want me in the browser, in the toolbar, when I was using the Google toolbar, to enable it sometimes. If you have problems, re-enable these functions. Now let's see, the Intel are okay. The Logitech Bluetooth services, I don't know what this is. And it stopped. I will uncheck it. Live update. I obit. This is some kind of software. You have to know your programs in the computer, and the name is relevant. This is log me in. We have a tutorial for log me in. Watch in our videos. The Mozilla maintain service. I don't need this. Performance service. This is a tuning for the NVIDIA card. So we have for video rendering the NVIDIA 690 with 2 GPUs. Now for settings to work, you gotta restart it. Now for speeding up your restart or shutdown of the system, push start menu and type Regedit. When you type Regedit, registry edit, and now click it, yes, and now let's close it to show you. It's the high key local machine, the system. Go in the current control set, control, and here wait to kill service timeout. In this way to kill the service timeout, put 2000. Okay, and now your system will load faster and will restart faster. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you like this video. See you guys, bye.